how to make text-to-speech voice on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I will be guiding you to make text-to-speech voice on TikTok, so make sure to follow and stick till the end. Now let's get into the video. Now firstly, open TikTok application on your device. Now from here, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the record button or upload a video from the gallery. Once you're done with recording a video, tap on the tick mark at the right side of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the editing page. Now here you will be able to see different options to edit your video. Now from those options, tap on text. Now type anything that you want to make text-to-speech voice on TikTok. Once you're done with it, tap on text and there a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. Now from there, tap on the first option, text-to-speech.
Hello everyone!
And there you go, your text has been changed into speech voice. Now once you're done with making text-to-speech voice on TikTok, on next button at the bottom right of your screen. And then you can post this video on TikTok. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to make text-to-speech voice on TikTok. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now that's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.